In this video, you'll learn how to change the system language on a Google Pixel phone. By following these steps, you will be able to customize your device to use your preferred language for all menus and applications. Begin by unlocking your Pixel phone and locating the Settings app. You can find the Settings icon, which looks like a gear on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you have opened the Settings app, scroll down the list of options until you see the entry labeled System. Tap on System to access additional settings related to your device. After selecting System, look for the option labeled Languages and Input. This will take you to the section where you can manage language settings. Tap on Languages and you will be taken to the current language settings of your device. Ensure you are in the correct menu before proceeding. Next, to select a new language, tap on the button that says Add a Language. A list of available languages will appear on your screen. Scroll through this list until you find your preferred language. Once you have found it, tap on the language to select it. After adding the language, you will see it appear in your list. To make it the default system language, press and hold the newly added language and drag it to the top of the list. The system language will change instantly, and the interface will update to reflect your selection. After changing the language, it is important to confirm that the change has been applied correctly. Check various apps and menus to ensure everything is displayed in the new language. If you find that you need to adjust the language again, you can return to the settings to make further changes. Additionally, you can add multiple languages to the list and easily switch between them as needed. Keeping your preferred language at the top of the list ensures consistent usage across your device. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.